Hi guys. Hopefully if you are at the point where you are watching this video, you have already read the story problem and pictured what was happening in the story. So I'm going to read it again and make sure you're getting a visual of what's going on in the story. The children at recess are either playing or sitting down resting. The ratio of the kids playing to resting is 3-1. That means that every time you see 3 kids playing, you'll also see 1 kid resting. So if there are 8 children resting, then how many children are playing? So the first thing you want to do is identify the ratio in the problem, and we see that the ratio is 3-1. So I'm going to write that down, 3-1. We know from reading the problem that the 3 represents children who are playing because it was said first and it is the first number. So I'm just going to put a P for playing so I don't forget. And I know that the 1 is represented by resting. I also know I'm going to create an equivalent ratio, and I'll know that my answer, the playing children, has to be in the numerator position, and the resting children have to be in the denominator position. So the rest of the information, if there are 8 children resting, so 8 resting, I know now that that belongs in the denominator position because it is resting, and we keep the same thing with the same thing, or the same concept with the same concept. So now I need to determine how I got from the 1 to the 8 using our strategies for equivalent ratios. So if I take 1 and multiply it times 8, that's going to get me 8. And our rule is what we do to the numerator or denominator, we have to do the same thing to the other. So I'm going to multiply the numerator times 8. So 3 times 8 is 24. Now, if I'm looking, since this is a P, that means 24 are playing. Lucky for us, the question asked how many children are playing. So we can say 24 are playing.